It's on.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Aunt Shaw's Kitchen. I'm coming at y'all with another banger
For YouTube.
Today, y'all, Aunt Shaw getting ready to show y'all what we doing for this
Blackout.
this blackout we having, y'all. Today is what's today is? Today is Wednesday. And we out here trying to barbecue something for us to eat because you can't even get in a line at Popeyes or Walmart or Kroger's or Kentucky Fried Chicken. When you sit in the line for about an hour, they turn you around and say we close until further notice. So I'm like, shoes, I got a bunch of meat in my refrigerator. So I am going to take some stuff out and barbecue tonight. Cheap. We already got the meat, y'all, in the refrigerator, so no need to let it all spoil and throw it in the trash. So what we going to do every day till the lights come on, we're going to barbecue something, y'all. And that's what we're going to survive on until everything come back to normal.
You can see it.
So today is real dark in my complex. There's no lights here, but that's the Walmart parking lot where you see the lights at. That's where Walmart is. And this is my apartment complex, but we have no lights. Sorry, y'all, about this thing, because this barbecue really be throwing it out, you know. Baby, we got this warm right on the porch. We might have to get our little sleeping bags and sleep right here. Barbecue all night. But okay, y'all, right now we have some pork chops on the grill. We trying to cook them up, y'all. And my mama don't eat meat, so we got her a couple of pieces of salmon grilling. That's the piece of salmon there. And then she have another piece right there in the front of the pork chop. So then we got some other stuff we're going to probably throw on too. You know, enough for tonight and tomorrow morning for our lunch. But for dinner, we're going to be barbecuing it up again, y'all. We're just going to barbecue until we get all that meat gone. Long as we don't have lights, we're going to be barbecuing out here. You know? So, that's how we going to do it, you know?
Surviving, y'all.
We trying to survive out here, y'all. I'm sure everybody else doing it. So, y'all, the best thing to do is to try to get a barbecue pit and try to cook it up. If you got a burner, you know, try to get some water in a pot, make y'all a big pot of gumbo, or do some red beans and rice. You can cook rice on the barbecue pit too. All you gotta do is put your water in that pan and sit that pan on top of that grill and just let it cook. It's gonna be done. So it's going down here at Aunt Shaw Kitchen, baby. Aunt Shaw gonna make a way. We are not going to sit here and be in the line for hours waiting on a piece of chicken. When I got chicken in my refrigerator, it's just not defrosted. But we've been defrosting it, y'all. It's coming out, baby. We going to get it. I ain't throwing no food away in my refrigerator if I can help it. Putting it on the pit, baby, every day. And I'm also sipping on a beer, you know, trying to get my little drink on. I know it's cold, but it's not too cold to me, y'all. So, and we keeping warm right out here by this barbecue pit. Y'all see it, baby? It's a smoker, y'all. It's a nice little smoker. Let me explain to y'all how it works. This is where you open up the door here and put your charcoals. And you can open it right here too. And then if you want the level high so it can cook fast, then this little knob here, you wear it, you round it up like this, and it'll bring the grill straight up to the top. And then to the coals. And then if you want to cook it slow, then you bring it back around and it'll drop the thing down low. And it'll take its time cooking. So that's what we got going on. Aunt Shaw Grill. Y'all gonna see more grilling over here at Aunt Shaw's Kitchen. So y'all tell me what y'all think about this video. And I want everybody to stay safe, stay warm. If you have to bundle up in one room throw a bunch of blankets down somewhere and everybody just pile up together on the floor. And y'all keep yourself warm, y'all. Don't get sick. Warm yourself up. But that's what we do. We go in one room and we got a bunch of blankets we put on top of us. And we just sing some songs till everybody go to sleep. That's how we've been doing it. Gospel music. Nothing better than having God on our side. That's how we gonna work it. We gonna keep going right by us, y'all. For sure. Learn how to survive. You gotta survive in this world. But anyway, so y'all, we still got cars running through here. Guess people, I don't know if there's some people at work or coming in from work or coming in from retrieving food for them and their families. But you go in that line at Kentucky Fried Chicken or Popeyes, baby, you will sit in that line for hours.
You can get it off the pit,
So, and we not trying to burn the gas because you got to keep the gas until they get real cold. Then you got to go sit in your car and warm yourself up. But so far, we didn't have to do that yet, you know. But we go in the car so we can, we go in there and we charge our phones. And then once our phone's charged, we come back in the house and keep the heat in, and we be warm. We ain't cold so far. Thank the Lord for that. You know, been warm enough in our house, you know, so we ain't got no problem. And I thank God for that, y'all, that, you know, we find ways to keep ourselves accommodated. You know, we warm. And just got to find food, but I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to start taking meat out and put it in the sink. And every day, if we got to, we barbecuing. We queuing it up, y'all. We ain't going to let that meat go to waste, baby. We going to queue it up. Yeah, what happened? So, we got it going on. It's going down. That ain't Shaw's Kitchen, baby. It's going down. And this still look like it want to light up a little bit out here. I'll be glad when they cut the lights on, though. You know, everybody some gotta go to sleep, some gotta stay up. Yeah. Oh, you ain't got nothing. Let me see, Greg. Want me to try?
Oh, shit.
Okay. Well, okay, y'all. Ain't sure gonna get back at you. Alrighty. Okay. Okay, y'all. We cooking us some hash browns on the barbecue pit. Because my mom wanted something to go with her salmon other than some bread. So we're trying to brown these hash browns, y'all, that you use for the breakfast in the morning. They're already shredded. They come out of the store in the bag. So we're trying to work on that, trying to get it a nice consistency, you know. If we can't use the stove, we usually grill them in the pan on the stove. But
Black outage.
yeah, because of this black outage and stuff, y'all, we cooking on a pit, and it look like it's coming out. What y'all think? We just sprayed some Pam spray in the pot, and once we get it in the house, we gonna put some seasoning on it and a little butter, and we're gonna serve it like that, y'all. But it's gonna get brown. It will get brown. Now, they couldn't find no pans at Walmart. Because by the time I got there, the lady told me they had just closed. And I don't know what, I got, dishes to bake in, but they all glass. So I can't put that on, the pit, y'all. It's gonna mess up probably crack them, the heat. So we trying to do the best we can right now. Trying to get all this stuff ready for our little dinner tonight, y'all. It's okay. We're gonna get it. We ain't complaining, baby. We're gonna find a way to get it down. We gonna eat. Ain't sure gonna find a way to eat and feed my family. We gonna eat something. Trust me on that. And it's just that, you know, everybody just gotta be patient, have a lot of faith in the Lord, trust in Him, and He will come through for us. He got a plan. He got a plan for us, y'all. He just want to see how true we are into Him. And don't give up. Don't give up for nobody. Keep your mind on the Lord and pray. And everything's going to be all right. He's watching us, y'all. He's covering us. So don't give up on Him, y'all. Let's not give up on the Lord. We all can get it. We all can survive. We can do it. No doubt. In His name. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus.
Yep.
It's going down. Come on, little potatoes. Y'all get brown, Shaq. Come on. We want to go in now. Y'all come on with the brownness, baby. Y'all come on. Yes, indeed. It's all right, though. It's going to work. It's coming to pass. Look at that. Ooh. Come on, babies. Y'all get brown for ain't sure. Because we ready to eat y'all. Hot dog. Got it on the grill. We cooking on the grill, y'all. On the grill.
Uh-oh.
Ain't sure is on the grill. We on the grill. Cooking it up. All right, y'all. So I'm going to just let y'all see how that's going to come out. You got to get happy when you cook. You got to get happy when you cook. Even on the grill. That pig got it going on, boy. You can smell that aroma. Oh, yeah. I guess everybody's saying, shit, these people out here cooking on the grill. Can't find no food. You know, they didn't close everything down so early over here. Walmart was letting 20 people at a time in. You had to stand up in the cold and wait your turn. 20 people at a time. Then we went to Kroger's and they told us, ma'am, we sorry. They closed. They just closed. And I'm like, due to so many people going in. And I'm like, oh my God, you know? Out here in Houston, Texas. So it is what it is. We just have to follow the rules and then get up and try early in the morning. That's what I'm going to do, y'all. Ain't sure going to get up. And I'm going to try early in the morning to go and try to retrieve a few things that we're going to need to continue cooking on the grill. Because we ain't got no lights unless everything come on tomorrow. But they say this is supposed to happen all the way until Friday. But we hoping not, y'all. We've been praying that the Lord give us a break and they cut our lights on. We've been without lights for 2 days. Since Tuesday. But that's okay. We can make it. You know, it ain't no big deal. We gonna survive, baby. We gonna survive. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. We got it going on, y'all. We got it going on. It's going down. So, I just hope everybody is doing what they got to do out there to survive. And I'm sure everybody's doing what they got to do, especially with kids in the house. And got to feed our kids, baby, no matter what. Child, I was thinking about putting me some sticks together on the concrete and put me an old-fashioned pot out there and light that pit up. I mean, them woods up, and baby, cook a sauce right out there. And we sit out there with our little chairs and everybody dip our little bread in the sauce after we put whatever we want in our plate. That's how it gotta go. That's it. So we're gonna make it work, baby. We making it work. So y'all go ahead on and check Aunt Shaw's kitchen out. And y'all be able to see this video that Aunt Shaw just made. Aunt Shaw's kitchen. I don't think it's gonna get no browner, Greg. It's just sticking. At least it's warm for her. Put a little butter.
You can chew that. That's what I'm saying. Just
Oh, it's soft. It looks like it's kind of getting mush. That's good. Just go put some little butter on it and say, here you go. That's all we can do. It don't look like it's gonna fry up. It ain't getting brown. It's sticking. You see, you gotta have a spatula sometime and take it and scoop it up and then flip it over for it to cook.
I know.
See, so just get it off of that shit. I think it's done. And then we can go eat. I'm gonna go sit with Miracle a little while out there.
Alright, put that on the stove.
Okay. All right, y'all. Well, like, share, subscribe. It don't cost nothing to hit the subscribe button.
And like.
Send me a bunch of thumbs up. Be safe. Peace.
It came out good, huh?
All right, y'all. So we're about to start eating our little dinner. So we made sandwiches, y'all, with our little pork chops and stuff off the grill. That's how we really wanted it. We wanted to make some sandwiches. So look how good that look. My little bread from Kroger's, clean bread, and my pork chop. I done already started on one piece, y'all. But look how good. I ain't even get a chance to put my barbecue sauce on it yet. But that's okay. I ain't sure gonna eat it like that. I like to warm my barbecue sauce, y'all, before I put it on bread. But, you know, we can't really warm it. Oh, we can put it on the grill. But it's gonna work out like that, y'all. It's okay for tonight. Maybe tomorrow we can warm it up or something for tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna come at with y'all with. I don't know if I'm gonna do a roast on the grill or either some leg quarters. But whatever we got in that refrigerator, we gonna start pulling it out, y'all. And we gonna make it work over here. That's one thing. We ain't gonna sit here and starve. We gonna do good. We gonna make sure it's all going down, y'all. Look at that.
Barbecue mukbang.
I'm make a barbecue mukbang tomorrow. Oh boy. Nothing but meat. That's all we gonna have. No seafood today. I wish I would have had some. But it ain't gonna be too long now before Aunt Shaw come at y'all with a grilled seafood mukbang. It's coming down. It's going down, y'all. This one is good, y'all. I'm telling y'all. It's not a mukbang, but I'm smacking it up. It's good. Good old barbecue. I don't eat it all the time. But when I get the taste for barbecue, oh Lord, you can't stop me. But it takes me by spell, y'all. I ain't sure I got to eat it by spells. Y'all want some? I ain't giving a dog a chance on this bone right here. But if I would see Ruff come around, I would give him some. I would give him some. It's good, Mr. Great. Oh yeah, we all enjoying that. Good old barbecue sandwich. Greg did the barbecuing, y'all. That's my brother. We still got the little pit going, y'all, trying to warm up out here before we go in. But it's warm in the house. By just having the barbecue pit on the patio, y'all, it warmed the house up. And the door was closed. Oh, shit. I know. Roof might stand a chance. I done drop a piece of meat. He might stand a chance, baby. If he come around, I'll throw him a fee. No. Sure got meat. Yeah, they got people out there, y'all. You should see how people cutting you off going into the gas stations over here. And, well, I mean, you got the right of way to go first. They come from way in the back of you and jump in the front of you to get into the station. But the stations here are dry. Nothing left on the shelves.
And the pumps are pumping slow.
And the pumps are pumping slow for gas. And then they put a sign up saying that they are open. They're going to be closing until like 2 hours later. And I'm like, some of these people be needing, you know, like sodas or something to drink, water. And they got to wait 2 hours. So it's always good to try to stock up months before anything happens, if you can. So that's what I've been trying to do. I've been trying to stock up on stuff, even though I wouldn't let nobody drink water, that type of water. I had water for emergency, then I had water for us to just drink. And I tried to go to the cheapest place I can get to stock up. The Dollar Tree. I did a bunch of stuff at the Dollar Tree, 99-cent stores. You know, just trying to put a few things in the cabinets, y'all, so we can have. And thank God I did that, because we wouldn't have nothing right now. So, from now on, that's going to be my thing. When I get a good check, I'm going to go take the rest of the good money and go buy a bunch of good stuff to put in the freezer. Or the cabbage. Excuse me, I'm drinking beer and hiccuping at the same time. Yes, I am. But this barbecue is delicious. Oh my goodness. It's good. It's kind of hard to break the meat apart with one hand. I'll get it. Okay, y'all. Okay. I got some help to help me out. Break that meat apart. I'm gonna eat this little part. Maybe Roof gonna come around. That's the best part though, y'all. I like to save the fat for last. But if I see an animal, I'm gonna try to throw it to him, y'all. Give him some. Because I know he must be looking for food out there. Oh yeah, look at that. He got a good little splash. I'm gonna put that on that little bread like that and fold it over. And baby, look, I got me a pork chop slider. Okay, well, y'all, I thank y'all so much. Okay. Shh, I'm recording.
Ain't Shaw doing it again?
Why did you say that?
Who was that?
Tavon.
Go to bed.
That little boy still, he be up here in milk all night, Shay.